Okay, so I've set up a bridge circuit here, and I've marked out this value. I've kind of hidden it from view to let you see something. So obviously this half of the circuit, I'm applying 10 volts, about having a 10K here and a 10K here. We've got 5 volts here. So we're comparing it to this other side. Now this is our unknown value. And I've got a potentiometer here, and you can see what I've done is it's 10K, so from the top leg to the bottom leg, we read 10K. And with this middle leg, as I move the resistance, it changes the resistance value. You can see that above and below. And obviously the what we're looking at now is 50 ohms because we're close to the top. And we've got a pretty big imbalance because we're reading 5 volts here and about oddly enough, 1, 2, 3.4, 5, 7 volts, millivolts there. So I can balance this and get it close to zero. I have to slide that knob very carefully. And then I will know something about our circuit. So 6 millivolts, 67. So 6 millivolts is about as low as I can get. So we're close to being balanced, 5 volts versus 5.06. I played with this ahead of time. I'd try a little more, but I knew 6 millivolts, which is 6/1000ths of a volt, was about as close as we get. So look at there. It says it's 4K on top and 6K on bottom. So we're balanced when this guy's at 4K, which must mean this guy is a 4K resistor. So I'm going to right click on him and say edit. And sure enough, he is. So we could glean that resistance value just by balancing this circuit and gather some information. So I'm going to change it to another number you can't see here. I'm going to block it out where you can't see it. That's why I've got it hidden. And I don't know, we'll make it this value. And see, obviously we have an unbalanced circuit again. So I can keep moving this thing. I'm going the wrong way. 800 millivolts minus 500 minus 3 minus 2, 79, 7. So probably around 7 millivolts is as close as I'm going to get. And it says that's 7K between where we enter and where we come out. So let's see if we're right. And sure enough, it is 7K. So it's a way of measuring and balancing and understanding, and we can glean some information with in some circuitry like a meter, for instance, on what that value is. So you can see we're very close to being balanced. 5 volts, 4.993 or 8. I can't really tell with that in the way. But that's a bridge circuit. This is another way Fallstat can help you see some of these concepts that you're studying about. And as always, if you have questions, let us know.